Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to find TikTok shop link. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website that has a guide that's perfectly explained everything about requesting access to TikTok shop from Business Center. About TikTok Commerce offers two paths of brands and merchants who wants to sell their product directly on their TikTok account. TikTok Shop and Storefront. TikTok Shop enable brands, merchants, and creators to run an e-commerce business directly on the TikTok platform. With TikTok Shop, TikTok offers a fully native shopping experience where products discovery, product detail pages, product management, purchases, buying, shipping, and returns are powered by TikTok's Seller Center. Customers can discover products from sellers' accounts or creator accounts via live stream, video content, and showcase, shoppable tab in the TikTok account profile, and can enjoy seamless shopping experiences with TikTok app. To get started with TikTok Shop, you'll need to set up your shop on seller.tiktok.com. The benefits: these features helps organizations and agencies to activate and manage shopping ads on their behalf more efficiently by actively applying for required access to a TikTok shop. Quickly request access to TikTok shops, give their members and partners of their business centers permissions to create ads promoting products from the TikTok shop, manage the shop's related catalogs, and view data insights in Store Manager. So here is how to set up TikTok shop. Step 1. Request TikTok shop access from Business Center. Step 2. Resend requests from Business Center. Step 3. Seller approves request in Seller Center. Step 4. Manage TikTok shop permissions in Business Center. And lastly, the step 5 is create shopping ads. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.